Cannabis. A single word, yet it evokes a whirlwind of emotions and opinions. Revered for its therapeutic potential, demonized for its psychoactive effects, cannabis remains a plant shrouded in controversy. Its story is as old as civilization itself, woven into the fabric of ancient cultures and modern societies alike. From the foothills of the Himalayas to the streets of modern metropolises, cannabis has left its mark on human history. Today, as we stand at the cusp of a new era of cannabis acceptance, it is more important than ever to approach this complex plant with open minds and a thirst for knowledge. The story of cannabis begins millennia ago in the heart of ancient China. This ancient civilization, known for its profound contributions to human knowledge and culture, was among the first to recognize the potential of the cannabis plant. Archaeological evidence points to the use of cannabis seeds and fibers as far back as 8000 BCE. These early uses were primarily practical, with the seeds being a source of nutrition and the fibers used to create durable textiles. Early Chinese texts, such as the Shenong Bencao Jing, extolled the medicinal virtues of cannabis, recommending it for a variety of ailments. This ancient pharmacopoeia, attributed to the mythical Emperor Shenong, lists cannabis as a remedy for conditions ranging from rheumatism to malaria. The plant's versatility and effectiveness in treating such a wide array of health issues made it a staple in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Across the Himalayas, in ancient India, cannabis held a sacred place in Hindu spirituality. It was revered not just for its practical uses, but for its spiritual significance as well. Referred to as bhang in Sanskrit texts, cannabis was believed to be a gift from the gods, consumed during religious ceremonies and festivals. The plant was associated with the god Shiva, who is often depicted with chillum, a traditional smoking pipe. During festivals like Holi, bhang was consumed in various forms, from drinks to sweets, as a way to honor the divine and enhance spiritual experiences. Cannabis continued its global journey along ancient trade routes, its seeds and stories traveling from Asia to the Middle East, Africa, and eventually Europe. These trade routes, such as the Silk Road, were conduits for not just goods, but also ideas and cultural practices. As merchants and travelers carried cannabis across continents, they introduced it to new cultures, each of which found unique ways to incorporate the plant into their daily lives. Throughout history, cannabis has been a source of fiber for textiles, oil for lamps, and medicine for countless cultures. In ancient Egypt, for instance, cannabis was used in the production of rope and fabric, while also being included in medicinal preparations for ailments such as inflammation and glaucoma. In medieval Europe, hemp was a crucial crop, used to make everything from clothing to sails for ships, playing a vital role in the age of exploration. Its journey has been long and winding, shaped by human curiosity, cultural exchange, and the enduring allure of this enigmatic plant. From ancient rituals to modern medicine, cannabis has woven itself into the fabric of human history, continually evolving and adapting to the needs and beliefs of the people who cultivate and use it. As we look to the future, the story of cannabis is far from over, promising new discoveries and applications that will continue to shape our world. Cannabis is a genus of flowering plants that encompasses 3 primary species: Cannabis sativa, Cannabis indica, and Cannabis ruderalis. Each of these species has unique characteristics and uses, making the cannabis plant incredibly versatile. Cannabis sativa is known for its tall, thin plants and is often associated with higher THC content, which is the compound responsible for the psychoactive effects. Cannabis indica, on the other hand, tends to be shorter and bushier, with higher CBD content, which is known for its therapeutic benefits. Cannabis ruderalis is less common and is often used in hybrid strains to enhance certain growth characteristics. While these species share a common ancestry, they exhibit distinct characteristics in terms of their growth patterns, chemical compositions, and effects on the human body. For instance, Cannabis sativa is often used for its uplifting and energizing effects, making it popular for daytime use. Cannabis indica is typically used for relaxation and sleep, making it a favorite for nighttime use. Cannabis ruderalis, though not as widely used on its own, is valued for its ability to flower based on age rather than light cycle, which is a trait breeders find useful. The cannabis plant produces over 100 unique chemical compounds known as cannabinoids, each interacting with the human endocannabinoid system in different ways. These cannabinoids are responsible for the wide range of effects that cannabis can have on the body and mind. The most well-known cannabinoids are tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, and cannabidiol, CBD. But there are many others, each with their own unique properties and potential benefits. Two cannabinoids in particular have garnered significant attention: tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, and cannabidiol, CBD. THC is the primary psychoactive compound in cannabis, responsible for the characteristic high associated with its use. It interacts with the brain in a way that can alter mood, perception, and behavior. THC is often used recreationally, but it also has medical applications such as pain relief and appetite stimulation. CBD, on the other hand, is non-psychoactive and has shown promise in treating a range of medical conditions, including epilepsy, anxiety, and chronic pain. Unlike THC, CBD does not produce a high, making it an attractive option for those seeking the therapeutic benefits of cannabis without the psychoactive effects. CBD is available in various forms, including oils, capsules, and topical creams, making it easy to incorporate into a daily wellness routine. As research continues, we are likely to discover even more about the potential benefits and uses of the cannabis plant, further demystifying this ancient and versatile plant. The human body is uniquely equipped to interact with cannabis thanks to the endocannabinoid system, ECS. This system, discovered in the late 20th century, is a complex cell signaling system identified in all vertebrates. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining homeostasis, or the body's internal balance, by regulating various physiological processes. The ECS is composed of endocannabinoids, receptors, and enzymes that work together to ensure the body's optimal functioning. This complex network of receptors and neurotransmitters plays a crucial role in regulating a wide range of physiological processes, including mood, sleep, appetite, and pain perception. The two primary receptors in the ECS are CB1 and CB2. CB1 receptors are predominantly found in the brain and central nervous system, while CB2 receptors are more common in the peripheral organs and immune cells. These receptors interact with endocannabinoids, which are naturally produced by the body to modulate various functions and maintain equilibrium. When cannabis is consumed, cannabinoids like THC and CBD bind to these receptors, modulating the ECS's activity and producing a variety of effects. THC, or tetrahydrocannabinol, is the psychoactive component of cannabis that creates the high sensation. It primarily binds to CB1 receptors in the brain, influencing mood, memory, and perception. On the other hand, CBD or cannabidiol is non-psychoactive and interacts with both CB1 and CB2 receptors, offering potential therapeutic benefits without the intoxicating effects. The way cannabis affects an individual depends on several factors, including the specific strain of cannabis, the method of consumption, the dosage, and individual tolerance. Different strains of cannabis contain varying levels of THC, CBD, and other cannabinoids, which can lead to different effects. Methods of consumption, such as smoking, vaping, edibles, or tinctures, also influence how quickly and intensely the effects are felt. Dosage is another critical factor. Higher doses can lead to more pronounced effects, while lower doses may offer subtler benefits. Factors such as age, weight, metabolism, and even genetics can influence the body's response to cannabis. Younger individuals may metabolize cannabinoids differently than older adults, and those with higher body fat percentages may store cannabinoids longer, leading to prolonged effects. Metabolic rate also plays a role. Individuals with faster metabolisms may process cannabinoids more quickly, resulting in shorter durations of effects. Genetic variations can affect how receptors in the ECS respond to cannabinoids, making some people more sensitive to cannabis than others. Understanding these variables is crucial for both recreational and medicinal users, allowing for a safer and more controlled experience. For medicinal users, this knowledge can help tailor treatments to individual needs, optimizing therapeutic outcomes while minimizing potential side effects. Recreational users can use this information to make informed decisions about their consumption habits, ensuring a more enjoyable and responsible experience. As research on cannabis and the ECS continues to evolve, Our understanding of this intricate system will deepen, paving the way for new therapeutic applications and safer consumption practices.